Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a video featuring a unit from Perfect Lace Wig. They were kind enough to send me this unit. It is their Brazilian virgin hair ombre color. It is a 1B root with a 30 throughout the hair, and it is a straight lace wig, well, a straight 360 lace wig, and it also comes pre-plucked in the front, so that makes it a lot more easier for you to just put it on and go. So now I'm just taking small sections of hair and pinning it away. I'm going to use my barrel iron. I think it is about a 1-inch barrel iron. I didn't want to do anything too dramatic because I was going to a work dinner that night, and I just wanted to be cute. And I figured this hair was really cute and it was new, so I wanted to go ahead and give it a try. So I'm just going to go ahead and start curling this hair. You're not going to see the entire process because that is redundant at this point, because I mean everyone has seen how to curl hair. So you'll see me curl about 6 to 7 pieces, and then we're going to go ahead and move on to the finished unit. So now the hair is fully curled, and I definitely love the way it turned out. It just curled really easily, and the curls held up nicely on their own, but I decided to just go ahead and get some Got to Be Glued spray because my sister is a cosmetologist and she loves using this on her clients after she's done using their hair. And, you know, I love using it for wigs. The hope was to secure the wig, so I was like, if it's going to secure my wig, maybe it secure my curls really good too. And I like that it doesn't give you like a stiff feeling, because I was really scared that was going to be a problem with this spray, but it gave you a really soft hold. So guys, I'm just taking my turban off. I really like that thing now. I feel really like an old lady with it. But anyway, so I'm just going to go ahead and apply my wig cap. I like to do this step first before I even apply the glue or anything, to just see how the wig is going to line up on my head and see where exactly I need it placed at prior to actually spraying the glue up there and, you know, doing the whole shebang. So I'm just picking up the wig and I'm going to go ahead and place it and see how I like it. You also see that my dog is behind me. He really likes to be up here with me now while I film. And my little dog he used to do that same thing, but now that the big dog is up here, he's like, I don't like y'all. I just want to, you know, I just want to be by myself, unless you're just down here with me, Mom. I don't want the big dog with me. But anyway, so I like the way it looks on me. There's a piece of lint, but just ignore that, guys. I know somebody's going to talk about it probably. But yeah, so now I'm going to go ahead and cut this lace off and apply this wig to my head. So guys, I was really happy once I actually applied the wig to my head. I love this thing. I need to go ahead and, I still hadn't sprayed that edge by my ear, but yeah. So that's going to get sprayed right before I go to this event. But yeah, I really love how this wig looks. I love the color on my skin tone. The only thing I would change about this wig is the way the ombre was made. I would probably did it a little bit more cautiously because it just looks a little blunt in some places. But other than that, this hair is beautiful. Everybody gave me so many compliments on this hair all night long, and I was really feeling myself, as y'all can see right here. Still feeling myself. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and thanks to Perfect Lace Wig for sending me this hair. Talk to you later.